May I ask you my one second?
Alright. I guess you have probation warrants and everything? Those aren't fashion accessories.
So, how come you came back if you knew you were bored? Stupid. Walmart got like $1 zillion. Like, it's damn near impossible. You're probably better off doing crime at the Secret Service than to come here after you went barred. Like, there's cameras everywhere.
On April 8th, 2024, officers with the Athens-Clarke County Police Department responded to a Walmart in Georgia. 0 items were actually stolen that evening. The suspect still went to jail. The reason lies in a precise distinction under Georgia law between attempted theft and completed criminal trespass.
Okay. He'd be the one I trust the most.
Yeah.
Hi. Do you have your ID on you, ma'am?
I don't.
Okay, what's your name?
Khadijah?
Deja, is it?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to put your hands on your back. You have warrants, okay?
Okay.
Here, you want to set that down for me? Here, put that in your pocket, okay? Here. You want to take your phone real quick? Thank you. There we go. 1095, what they're in the clothing section. Okay, so is that your buggy over there, ma'am? Do you have your purse or anything over there?
Yeah.
With the baby apparel, looks like aisle 28.
Looks like we got here just in time.
Okay.
I didn't steal anything.
Yeah, you not this time. I can't charge you with it, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to put it into my computer system.
All right, head back to your office.
Yeah, I'm going to take this to the service and let them ring it up.
3750, we'll head back to the service desk in the loss prevention office. I thought I heard.
I saw you crash flying, and when I go in, you had already whipped around.
Yeah. All right, you said you don't have your ID on you?
No.
Okay. Here, you want to hold it real quick? Yeah. Is there anything in the bag that's yours?
I don't see anything that you can look into it further if you want. It's heavy, but I think. There's apparently a guy in here with her.
What's that?
They said there was a guy in here. He's not with her, but he's with her. Which might be the guy that was just on the phone.
Okay. All right. So, we got trespass right now. She's already barred from here.
Oh, yeah, all the warrants. Are you already gone through the pack?
I just want to search it. You go first.
Let's go to the office, I guess, real quick.
Here, I'm gonna search this right here while I have that space.
Is the office open? Yes, sir. It's closed, but the door's open.
Okay.
Seven six. Come over here to the LP office on the right entrance.
Hey, where the LP office at?
Down there. They got them.
How far down?
All the way to the next door.
Okay. Okay.
Going out.
Thank you.
Hey, we got her. It's because she didn't actually steal anything yet, but they stopped her.
Take
identified her, and
these
she had a
right
luggage
here.
full of crap and more.
Stick those right there. Do you have anything on you that will stick me, poke me, anything like that?
I mean, we got
Okay.
All right.
So I'm gonna pull this off real quick, make sure nothing's
over and he went to approach her
underneath there.
Nothing's
Nothing's
there.
there.
Just asked her name. She said today's the guy. What up, kid? What's going on?
Hey, what's up, man? You
How you
good?
been, bro?
Chillin'. Hey, is the LP office this way or that way?
That way. It's right next to the dog tag thing. This might be his first call here.
So, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put this back on.
Yeah, well, she's under arrest.
May I ask you my one second?
All right.
I guess you have probation warrants and everything?
Well, you're on ankle monitor right now.
Well, you ever know?
So, those aren't fashion accessories.
What? Are you talking
Ankle monitor.
about? Oh, yeah.
Okay, is there any pockets? This little coat here.
Do you have anything on underneath there? No.
A bra.
Okay, I don't see any pockets. All right.
Hey.
Do you mind putting my volume back on that head? Like, putting it back on.
Okay, hold on.
So what we got, sir?
She didn't actually get a chance to steal anything.
Georgia Code Section 16-8-14 defines theft by shoplifting through 4 specific acts: concealment of merchandise, alteration of price tags, transfer into another container, or passing the last point of sale without payment. A cart full of merchandise absent any of these acts does not satisfy the statutory elements. Intent alone is not enough. Georgia law demands overt conduct. The responding officer correctly declined to force a shoplifting charge the facts could not support. He applied instead Georgia Code Section 16-7-21, subsection B, paragraph 2. This provision defines criminal trespass through 3 elements the prosecution must prove beyond a reasonable doubt: knowing entry without authority after prior formal notice from the property owner forbidding entry. All 3 were satisfied. The suspect had been previously barred. Her own words established the knowledge element. That admission was volunteered before any Miranda warning was administered. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, applies only to custodial interrogation, not to preliminary identification questions. The statement therefore remains fully admissible at trial. The search of the suspect's person raises a separate Fourth Amendment analysis. Once dispatch confirmed active warrants, probable cause to arrest was firmly established. Under Chimel v. California, 1969, this authorized a full search, incident to arrest. The scope stayed within the arrestee's person and immediate reach, well within constitutional limits. One tactical decision deserves particular attention. The officer declined to charge disorderly conduct despite the suspect's profanity. Profanity directed at law enforcement is constitutionally protected speech under City of Houston v. Hill, 1987. Adding such a charge would have exposed the department to liability under Section 1983 of the Civil Rights Act.
I got him ringing up the buggy just to see how much it was going to be, but she had these with her. Got other cases on her. My partner has a case on her. We've been talking to Franco about it
You
for
don't
a
have to be scared
while.
to hurt me. Like, you put it on.
I was at lunch. They called me and said, "Hey, girl in the bonnet, ankle monitor." I was like, "Yeah, that's probably her. I'm on my way back." Called Franco on the way down the road, told him she was here, and he went ahead and said, "Oh, this way." Or
Okay.
yeah. It's not going to be any charge on us this time, other than what he's taken from the warrants we got from the past. But I can't charge her with anything today. She didn't conceal or anything.
Oh, she's just got the barring too,
Yeah.
as well.
You got your gun?
How are you doing, people? Haven't seen you.
Living the dream.
Talking about you the other day.
My ears are always burning.
That's it.
And what's the phone number?
The Walmart number is.
Tell people, yellow bone.
I hear you. Yeah, I was gonna check with him, but
You did.
okay, yeah.
6'6", I've worked here 10 years, don't have it memorized.
I used to have all that done. I come up in here, it's like I only used to be in here, 4 or 5 times a week.
Oh.
Sorry. So I set off your alarm coming out of here.
Okay, man.
The 2 things that didn't look used were this and this.
I'm gonna read something to you real quick. It's just.
But something set off that alarm, so.
Well, it looks like it's been used a little bit.
Still has a little zip tie on it.
You can afford
It's a little dirty in there, so I don't think this is ours. We wouldn't care. I don't know what's. Yeah, that's a real brand.
Yeah, we set off the alarms all right here.
Unless she has like a magnet or something maybe in there.
Have these rates in mind? Do you wish, or are you going to answer my questions now? Okay.
I didn't see anything look terribly new. There's none in there. Yeah.
All right. So what's going on today?
Oh no.
What happened with the plastic bags that you got? Oh, they said you had on.
Can you keep your sheet off real quick so check inside there?
With no cell phone. Do you have anything that belongs to you in your bag?
I don't.
Okay. Here, you can put it back on.
What would you get?
Guess what?
What are the plastic bags for that you had? Nothing? Okay. Have you been arrested here before?
Yeah, that's not ours.
Have you been trespassed from here? You're saying you
Those are
haven't.
the only things that's.
I'm saying, he's saying, like, have I been arrested for trespassing here?
Yeah.
You're saying you've been trespassed. Like, you weren't allowed to come back here?
Oh, yeah.
Bard.
Oh,
Yeah.
barred, yeah.
Yeah.
Why? So, how come you came back if you knew you were barred?
Stupid.
Stupid? Okay.
So as far as that previous barring, you just go ahead and put the case number in the CAD for us.
Did you know you had a warrant for your arrest?
No, yeah, I figured it.
Okay. What's your phone number?
I don't know about
Alright,
that.
that's fine. That's cool. 248.
I'm just curious how much it's gonna be, what you had in that buggy.
There you go, sir.
Thank
And
you.
apparently, he came in with somebody.
Smith, there wasn't none in the bag?
Okay, good check.
So you had all the money to pay for all this stuff? That's what I thought.
I didn't see a wallet. Well, she doesn't.
I mean, this is gonna be a lot. Like, there's a lot of junk in there. They worry about the secret shoppers, they call us, but they don't worry about the regular associates who are watching just as hard. I got good people in here. While I hate being interrupted on lunch, at least, you know,
we're clear on that.
I know that if I have to run back, that they know what they're talking about.
So if I'm not being charged, like, is there a reason I'm still here?
Oh, you were getting a charge for criminal trespass because you've been barred from here before. You also have outstanding warrants, Mr. House, and everything. So you are going to jail.
Oh, I know that I'm saying, but is there a reason I'm still, like, here? Like, as far as the...
Well, they gotta go through,
Not
check,
now.
make sure, and all that.
We're about to go out to the car in a second.
Yeah, don't worry.
In fact, let me put my car up. It's on the other side.
Yeah, you're right. But yeah, it's very suspicious that you have all these items and everything got, but does she have a wallet?
I didn't see a wallet. The only she had on her was her phone. I put it in the bag.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that you come here to a place to shop and all that, got a lot of items, so you have no way to purchase any of those items. Also giving your past history.
You can use tap and pay on your phone.
Okay. And then there's also your past history, lots of past history of shoplifting from here. And we've actually been looking for you for a while. There's been photos and pictures of you shoplifting from here before and all that, so. Which is actually some of your other warrants.
Your warrants for shoplifting?
I believe you have some other warrants for shoplifting besides the probation.
I'm so sick of these kooky cars they got, man.
Yeah, I'll get at least one bench warrant signed for you, so.
So we'll probably renew your barring out here again, so.
The ankle monitor adds further legal weight. It signals existing court supervision, likely pre-trial release or probation. Committing a new offense under such supervision almost always triggers bond revocation on the underlying matter. The suspect now faces potential incarceration on 2 separate cases, not one. Loss prevention's early intervention was also legally sound, since the trespass was complete the moment she entered. Extending the barring notice by another 2 years on scene was strategically significant. It preserves the notice element for any future entry, eliminating the need to reprove it in a later prosecution.
Man, like the keys in the car.
You do not like your keys in the car. Well, Smith Transport, and then,
So we used to have 2 keys. And I just had one with the fob on that.
I'll have Smith Transport. Just stand by here. If you want to ask him if he wants to transport.
You got a Slimmer Jam?
A Slim Jim?
Yeah, for the,
You like stuff out of your car?
yeah.
I don't. We have one at PD though.
Alright, so wait for a car to get you into standby.
I'll do
I
that.
stand by. Yeah, sorry about that.
That's 50 now?
Huh?
That's 50 now?
Yeah, he's trying to find the LP guy.
Hi. Let's sneak past y'all. Oh, konnichiwa. Good evening.
How are you doing today?
That was your interview.
Oh, that's just run of the mill.
So he's gonna come in here, he's gonna tell you again, pretty much you've been bored. Please, listen. Please. Walmart got like $1 zillion. Like, it's damn near impossible you're probably better off doing crime at the Secret Service than to come here after you in bar. Like there's cameras everywhere. Please, like you just setting yourself up. And I've been doing this for like 10 years. It's
We're at 1325. You still got all that and that left.
Oh yeah, she was saying she was going to use whatever app on her phone to purchase it. I'm like, sure.
Yeah. The way she responded when I said you had the money for this.
Hey, go ahead.
I was like, that's not a problem.
the security is so sophisticated. It's impossible. I wouldn't do crime, and I know where all the stuff is. It's Walmart got like $1 billion, $1 billion. Please, sis, don't do this to yourself in the future. Just it ain't worth it. Or if you gotta go to Walmart, just go to another Walmart. Don't go here, because when they bar people, like they are actively looking. They're not even looking for new people. They're looking for the people that they've already barred, just so they can have it come up. And you look like a very smart person. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so here's the plan. They're going to come by, they're going to rebar you for 2 years, then I'm going to take you to jail. And D-Ball's going to go get a lock shock to get your car open. Okay. Yeah.
I appreciate it, man.
Surely, no problem. So you taking it then? I don't mind taking it.
Say it again?
So are you taking it? Because I don't mind.
It's whatever. Yeah, I'll take it.
It's up to you, bud.
10-4. Go ahead and extend it again from today, another 2 years.
So again, you're barred for a period of 2 years, starting over from now till 2006.
Good old cars.
For 2026, so this month. So
I literally just dropped.
I mean, I know who you are now, especially I know your tattoos now, I know your ankle monitor, you have a fancy thing for these bonnets, but just stay out of the store and you stay out of trouble. Go somewhere else and try it, but don't do it here.
So I was like, let me get over here. All right, yeah, if you want to transport her.
All right, let me get your bag and then we're going to head out to my car, okay?
You like your keys in your car? Man.
If you want to stand by here, Williams.
Right this way. Sure thing. Yeah, it's gonna be this first car right here.
Y'all, all them billions of dollars y'all got here, you don't got no mechanisms to help give me my car, man?
Brick.
Y'all got in the hardware section, man?
Nope.
All them billions of dollars they Walmart
I
got,
used
man?
to call y'all and then they don't like to do that anymore either, so now they
I'm for that, I agree.
Yeah.
Because it was getting out of hand.
Yeah, so now we just have, they come up like, y'all don't have anything? I'm like, no, and we, used to, people would go out there, associates would go help, and I told them, you can't help them because if you mess up their car, they're gonna wanna sue us. You scratched the inside with this coat hanger or something, so, yeah, they, now they just call the locksmith and spend their $65, $75, whatever dollars.
Yeah. So, they're making a killing. How long you been doing this LT stuff, man?
10.
You doing okay? Need any help? Alright, let's go.
10.
Be 10 in August.
You never thought about doing police?
Nah, because I mean, I can get shot here, but I don't know. I just.
Okay. And your birthday is April 26, 94, correct? Okay.
At least you got a vest with us.
Yeah, at least I got.
And a gun.
I fell into this. It was just something I got into after school for a bit while my wife was finishing her bachelor's, and then it just got stuck. She used to do it too over at the other Walmart and then at TJ Maxx. I don't know. I don't like to run. Like, yeah, y'all gotta run.
You don't gotta run.
sometimes.
You don't gotta, I mean,
But,
it's rare.
yeah, it's just not. Nah. My mom already worries about me, and that's and I'm 37 years old. She'd have a hissy fit if I tried to do something like that. Nah, yeah, I'll leave y'all with that.
So she took items to go pay for them, but she never paid for them.
No, so they called me. I was at home on lunch. So they called me and they were like, "Hey, there's a girl in a bonnet with an ankle monitor on."
Mm-hmm.
And so, you know, I've already remembered from cases we had. I said that's probably going to be Kadeja. So I just came on back, and while I was on my way over here, I called Franco and I said, "Hey, you know, ankle monitor girl, Kadeja," and he was like, "She's at the store." I said, "They say there's a girl in the store that looks like her, so I'm gonna get there. I'll pull up the cameras and I'll find her." So yeah, Smith came. I guess Franco told Smith to come. We pulled up the camera, sent it to Franco. He said, "Yeah, that's her." So Smith went and just identified. She was very honest all the way up, and I actually thought she would have lied.
So the stuff that she had at the counter, she
So-
was going to pay for some stuff?
She says she was going to buy
Okay,
this stuff.
but it never got to the point.
Yeah, we were at 1,300 when I left.
Okay.
And they still had half a buggy left and some other stuff, so maybe 2,500. I was thinking 3 at first, but it might not make it that high. And it looks like it's a lot of stuff that she's gonna probably refill, like stacks of bonnets and, you know, multiples of different items. It looks like she was probably just gonna either sell at the flea market or sell on the street. Yeah, one night I got her, she walked, went to the candy over there, she took her backpack off, just started loading it up. She went in the bathroom and sat for about 45 minutes and then she left. And
She stay around here?
I don't know. I'm not sure exactly where she's from. My partner, Emily, dealt with her first. She caught her trying to walk out with some stuff one day. She took off and left the bug behind. But that's like I just told the manager up front. She's like, should we have just waited and let her do it? And then instead of stopping her beforehand, I said, we could have waited, but I have a feeling we'd have been waiting till close. Because she's already been in here for a long time to spend all that time selecting that stuff. At
It's
least,
always better, I think, just to go ahead
yeah.
and do what you do.
So she already has stuff on her.
Can you get out okay?
Let me shave back on my head.
Back up?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Oh, sounds like y'all are having fun tonight. It sounds like y'all been having fun.
All day?
Must be the eclipse.
Yeah, probably. At least we're gonna put it on it, right?
Grades. The responding officer earns an A- for statutory precision and disciplined restraint. Loss prevention earns an A- for accurate identification and thorough documentation of prior conduct. The suspect earns a D, violating a barring notice, active warrants, and likely her supervision conditions simultaneously. Her only saving grace was avoiding physical resistance, which would have added obstruction charges. 3 practical lessons emerge from this case. First, retailers can build airtight trespass cases simply through proper documentation and formal delivery of barring notices. Second, officers should never stretch a statute when a cleaner charge already fits the facts before them. Third, statements made before Miranda remain admissible when the interaction is not custodial interrogation. If you have a case or legal topic you would like analyzed, share it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.